Have you ever seen a butterfly whose wings look like a handwritten poem on paper? Meet the grey pansy, a delicate beauty with a name rooted in history, language, and science. In today's video, we explore the elegant grey pansy, scientifically known as Junonia atlites, a common yet mesmerizing butterfly found across tropical Asia. Look closely at its wings. Soft greyish-brown base color. Eye spots that resemble tiny painted circles, wavy black lines across the wings. These patterns help it avoid predators by mimicking eyes of larger animals. This butterfly in the video is basking under sunlight, a typical behavior of the grey pansy. The scientific name Junonia atlites was given by the world-famous Swedish naturalist Carl Linnaeus in 1763. Linnaeus is considered the father of modern taxonomy because he created the scientific naming system we still use today. So, the grey pansy's official name has been recognized for more than 260 years. Meaning of pansy. The word pansy comes from the French word pensée, which means thought. In old European tradition, butterflies with eye-like patterns or delicate thoughtful expression on their wings were called pansies. The genus Junonia contains several pansy butterflies because their wings look expressive, almost like a face with eyes and curves. Why grey? The species has a soft grey tone, unlike the peacock pansy, which is bright orange, or blue pansy, which is with vivid blue patches. So it becomes the grey pansy, a name that perfectly matches its calm pastel appearance. Grey pansies are often seen resting on low vegetation, soaking sunlight, flying slowly over open fields, feeding on small white flowers, like the one in this video. They prefer gardens, forest edges, grassy roadsides, and open scrublands. Their eye spots help distract predators like birds. When threatened, they suddenly open their wings to startle predators with eye-like patterns. They are active throughout the year in warm climates. If you love watching butterflies as much as I do, hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with another nature lover. Let's explore the beauty of the wild, one butterfly at a time.